Boys and girls, so I'm going to show you what a composite figure is and what you're doing today. So this is considered a composite figure because it's made up of more than one prism. So when you do these, you have to separate them first. And sometimes it's easy. Sometimes they'll tell you how to separate it. Sometimes you'll have to separate it yourself. So it's best to try to think of two prisms. So let's look at the top prism right here. So we want to calculate the volume of the top prism by doing length times width times height. So the length, remember the order doesn't really matter, so don't get too hung up on that. But you want to try to find 3 dimensions of it. So I've got one right here, 3. And then I have my height, 5. And I need one more. So the one more we're looking for is this right here. So we cannot do it yet. We have to kind of go hunt for it. So the thing about rectangles is the opposite edges are equal. So this one is equal to this right here, which is also equal to this one. So we had to kind of go hunt for that 6. So it's 6 meters. That's our other missing dimension. So then we do 5 times 6 times 3. I like to do 5 times 6 is 30, and then times 3, which is 90. So I said 3 and 5 were obvious, but you had to search for the 6. I used the bottom prism to find that. Then we'll do the bottom prism. So I can see which all 3 dimensions, length, width, height. So I'm just going to do 8 times 6 times 5, and that's 240. And then finally what you do is you add them together. So even though you'll get a problem like this, it's actually more than one problem. It's not just one problem. So you have to take your time and really look for it. But just don't forget that rectangular prisms, if you can find the dimensions, you just have to sometimes search for them. So this is 12 inches, so that means this side is 12 inches because it's opposite, and then that means this is 12 inches as well. Here is another one. This is 4 inches. We're trying to find this little question mark over here. So we just say, okay, that's 4 inches. That means that side is 4 inches, and then that one's going to be 4 inches. All right, so hopefully that helps you. Just take your time with it. It's a kind of frustrating skill, but I know you guys can do it. Have a good day. Bye.